Good morning, guys. Welcome to Blunt with Kate. I've already done school run. I am so sleepy today. Welcome to what I eat in a day. Lots to talk with you, but currently I'm getting ready for my badminton and trying to wake myself up. डैडी किचन से बाहर हो जाओ बेटू चलो बाय बाय I wish that I can make my own almond milk like last time. वो दूध तो भाई 2 दिन नहीं चला बड़ी जल्दी खत्म हो गया था. And I'm back to cartons which I hate, which is expensive, which is with preservatives. But it is what it is. I'm glad I can afford it. At the moment, life has been full of things to do, so I've not prioritized making almond milk for myself from scratch at home. I wish I could, but I haven't. I am currently prepping. Let me put you guys here. Hi! Now you can see me properly. And I can see myself, which is great because I love seeing myself. Self-obsessed. I am currently making my coffee. This is the one that I'm using since few months. Absolutely love it. Need a slap with David off because कल मैं जानबूझ के मी टाइम करते हुए लेट सोई थी and by late I mean 12 बजे and I woke up at 7ish. I don't think so that's enough sleep for me. I wish I would have slept by 11ish or 10:30. Especially the day I play games. मैं स्ट्रॉन्ग कॉफ़ी बना रही हूँ अपने लिए. 2.5 चम्मच कॉफ़ी डलेगी. इनफैक्ट 3 चम्मच कॉफ़ी डलेगी. लेट्स डू इट. आई पर्सनली द डे आई प्ले बैडमिंटन आई फील लाइक आई शुड स्लीप बाय 10:30 बिकॉज मैं थक जाती हूँ. एंड 2 दिन से मेरे बैक में मेरे टेलबोन में कुछ तो हो गया है विच इज़ लाइक अ ओल्डर पेन बट ठीक हो गया था एंड इट्स बैक फॉर सम रीज़न. अभी तो नहीं हो रहा है. कल भी ऐसे ही था. सुबह नहीं हो रहा था and then by afternoon it starts hurting a lot. And my mom is right. According to my mom I should skip my games, give my body some rest, and she's right. But I can't. I've been really like पीछे भी ब्रेक हो गई थी जब इवान की स्प्रिंग ब्रेक थी. I've been really enjoying this game time, so abhi to I think I can. And I'm playing good also, guys. I'm playing better. Like my other badminton players have been telling me that मेरा फॉर्म बेटर हो गया है, मेरे रिफ्लेक्सेस बेटर हो गया है. And though everybody is really like good at it, I was the beginner who joined the group, so it's a big year. वरना मैं हमेशा एक +1 की तरह किसी भी टीम में चली जाती थी. अब I also feel like I'm doing good. Yay! Dadu! What you doing, buddy? Okay, मैंने अपनी पानी की बॉटल भर ली है. So I start my morning what I eat in a day कर रही हूँ और तब से बातें कर रही हूँ about everything else except food. I start my morning with a glass of water which I have not poured yet, so shall do that. usually I have like a glass of water to start with. Sometimes I don't, depending on, like sometimes I'll have half glass, but I start my day with water, not coffee. First thing that I put in my system is hydration, water, and then I'll have my banana and I'll have my full cup of coffee. Let me take you guys outside. I don't have hands. I don't have hands. I don't have free hands. Wake up! Hello! I'm sitting against the light. Where do I put you guys? जहाँ हम बात भी कर सकें. So मैं मेरी एक lower size की पीढ़ी है, which is this one. इस पे मैं अभी नहीं बैठ रही हूँ because of my back. I don't know if that's even gonna help, but I'm trying. जैसा कि मैं कह रही थी, this mood is not going to be the mood of the day. I just need to wake up. And I'm going to feel so much alive and better after my game. I think I've finally reached a point where workout is an essential. And that shift itself is such a big win. I've also lost 5 kgs. When I started my workout and my journey was like, I started last August. I was 73 kgs. This morning I woke up, I was 68 kgs. These days, so I want to lose 1 more kg in March. I'm doing calorie deficit, which means I'm watching my calories, I'm counting it. I should be having some 1300 to 1400 calories per day, or even less if I can, but 1400 is good. मेरे पास कोई dietitian नहीं है. I don't like following a plan, so I don't go to nutritionists or dietitians anymore, because they give a structured, oh you have to eat this, oh you have to eat that. And whenever evidence from the history says that whenever I've been told that you have to eat this, after a couple of days I eat more. I feel very restricted. I feel like I don't want somebody else to decide what I can or cannot eat, and it just makes me feel like I'm feeling a little suffocated. Even if somebody makes a plan according to me, it just, I don't know, it's a mental thing. So मैं खुद ही कर रही हूँ. So today I'm gonna do like about 1200 to 1400 calories depending on how hungry I am. I want to do 1200 calories, to be honest. I want to drink lots of water. This is my first glass. So enjoy today's video where I'm gonna do what I eat in my day. Calorie deficit 1300 to 1400 calories is going to be our target, and gonna have fun with it. I'm gonna spend some time with you all. I hope you enjoy this vlog as much as I enjoy filming it. Good morning. I'm going to see you guys after my game, because अभी फ़िलहाल तो मैं एकदम ही आज सुबह मुझे लिटरली टेक्निकली मुझे आज ब्रेक लेनी चाहिए, अपनी बॉडी को रिकवर करने का टाइम देना चाहिए, और फिर मेरे को कल और परसों जाना चाहिए. Ooh, one of the player is not coming. So light बैडमिंटन ही होगा. हाँ, सो टेक्निकली मुझे आज ब्रेक लेनी चाहिए, कल और परसों जाना चाहिए. आज मुझे रिकूप करना चाहिए, रिकवर करना चाहिए, बट चाहिए बोलने के बाद मैं वो कर नहीं रही हूँ. मेरा मन नहीं कर रहा है वो करने का. आई फील लाइक आई वांट टू गो एंड आई थिंक फ्राइडे को ईद की छुट्टी होगी, तो इवान के स्कूल की छुट्टी होगी. जिस दिन इवान के स्कूल की छुट्टी होती है आई टेंड टू गो विद हिम फॉर साइकिलिंग, सो बैडमिंटन नहीं हो पाता. सो या दैट्स दैट. और मेरे पिंपल आ गया है क्या यहाँ पे? गाइस मैं एक दिन मेकअप के साथ सो गई थी, उस दिन से मेरी स्किन थोड़ी थोड़ी ब्रेकआउट कर रही है. ओके, सी यू इन अ बिट. हाय गाइस, I played a lot of singles today, which was amazing. I had so much fun. Love this tomato red face. This is hard work. 1.5 hour. No, आज technically 1 hour 15 minutes. So let's just call it 1 hour. 1 hour of non-stop badminton. Oh. Loved it, loved it. Just want to show you guys I don't wear this to my game. I wish I could, but I don't think so I can. I wear the t-shirt and I wear my cycling shorts. Technically, if I want, like if I really could, I would want to wear this to my games, but I think Gurgaon mein I don't feel मैं ये कर सकती हूँ. like गोवा में होती तो डेफिनेटली करती मैं, या फिर क्लोज्ड जिम में होती या समथिंग लाइक दैट. बट आई वांट टू शो यू गाइस माय आउटफिट. दिस इज माय साइक्लिंग शॉर्ट. दिस इज माय कैटो licking my sweaty leg. This is my sports bra. If you have heavy breast, then this from Kawa is so good. This is all sweat guys. इसमें color differentiation नहीं है. This is the, what do you call it, the words चले चुके हैं मेरे body से. The pad, this is the pad, the I don't know. Oh my god, I can't speak right now. And this is my cycling shorts. Both the things are from Kawa. I'm gonna tag if you want to shop. And now I have a session in 1 hour, which means I'm gonna drink my मैंने वर्कआउट से पहले एक डेट खाया था, जो कि मैं आप लोगों को दिखाना नहीं रहा, बिकॉज आई लिटरली टुक द डेट एंड हैड इट इन लिफ्ट. सो सिंस मॉर्निंग आई हैव हैड बनाना, 1 डेट एंड 1 कप ऑफ कॉफ़ी. हम लंच पे कैलोरीज कैलकुलेट करेंगे, अभी नहीं, बिकॉज अभी आई एम इन अ रश. आई हैव टू quickly go for my shower after drinking this 1 liter of water, and then I have a session at 11. So gonna calm my mind, center myself, do my session, and then I'll see you guys and have a long conversation with you all then. But I love my tomato red face after the workout, and my god, the sweat. Absolutely love it. मेरे face पे बहुत fat आ गया था from the 73 kgs, and now I can see my jawline, which was not there, is coming up, which is amazing. Okay. See you. Hello. Done with my session, and now I have one in the evening, so I have a big gap in which मेरी पेट का दर्द ठीक हो जाएगा तो बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा. In which I am supposed to do couple of things. I have to write certain scripts. I have to scripts for reels. I have to edit. I think I'm gonna, yeah, I think I will have to shoot 1 reel. As far as I'm understanding my schedule, guys, मेरा नारियल पानी पड़ा था फ्रिज में, जो मुझे पोस्ट वर्कआउट पीना था, और मैं भूल ही गई हूँ. एंड ठंडा ठंडा नारियल पानी पड़ा, लेकिन अब मैं स्मूदी बनाने लगी हूँ अपनी. बट वी विल हैव नारियल पानी eventually. Today is gonna be coconut water day. I'm very happy with that. I love coconut water, like obsessed with coconut water. If you have been following me for years, then you know that I love coconut water. I used to go on drives and take Ivan out for coconut water a lot, and Ivan also loves coconut water, which is amazing. Let me set you guys again out here. So we are doing what I eat in a day, and this is usually जब मेरे सेशंस के अकॉर्डिंग मेरे खाने का टाइम ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है, बट दैट्स नॉट important. What's important is that I'm doing calorie deficit, so I have to just keep adding up my calories and touch that sweet spot. 1300 calories per day is gonna be good for losing that 1 kg that is left, जो मेरा मार्च का गोल है. मेरी मिक्सी. So let's start with that. I think मैंने अपनी प्रोटीन स्मूदी की रेसिपी एक शॉर्ट बना के डाली हुई है, लेकिन आज आप मेरे साथ हो. फर्स्ट थिंग दैट आई पुट in my smoothie is Greek yogurt. This is expensive shit. If you can afford it, it's a big blessing. I prioritize this. Sometimes we don't buy things thinking they are expensive, but if you're putting something in your body, that better be expensive, that better be good. And आप स्विगी पे पैसे मत खर्चो, जोमेटो पे मत खर्चो, और अपने ग्रीक योगर्ट पे खर्चो. सो मेरे आई थिंक हफ्ते के 3 से 4 डब्बे तो लग ही जाते होंगे ग्रीक योगर्ट के. आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट आई थिंक मैंने एक बारी किसी की तो शॉर्ट देखी थी where they share how there's a way to make Greek yogurt at home. I wish I had the time. I'm manifesting to be that rich that I can chill and make Greek yogurt at home. Filhal, I run on schedule, and that's also amazing because I can afford buying Greek yogurt. So it's always working in my favor. Okay, I've put like 250 grams of Greek yogurt. Now I'm gonna add strawberry. Love strawberry. Gonna add like 4 big chunks of strawberry. Let me wash this up quickly. You know what is the biggest luxury of my life? The biggest luxury of my life is I can choose when I work. Being self-employed is one of the best things that has ever happened to me. I can choose when I want to work. I can choose when I want to take a break. Oof. Mashallah. Strawberries. Let's put 4 pieces actually, not 5. So adding strawberry. Oh, I wish you guys could see me. Tripod लगा लो कोमल. Tripod लगा लो. Yeah. Technically, it's my 4 pieces of strawberry cut in half. The rest is gonna go back in the fridge because my son is gonna enjoy this once he's back from his school. आज मैं इतनी जल्दी क्यों बात कर रही हूँ? Okay. Hi guys. Okay, let me put this back. Okay. Next we have is protein. Whey protein. मैंने 2-3 ब्रांड्स पे अपने पैसे खर्चने के बाद ये रियलाइज किया है कि मेरे लिए ऑप्टिमम प्रोटीन ही प्रोटीन है. 1 स्कूप ऑफ प्रोटीन. वो मेरा प्रोटीन खत्म हो रहा है एंड इसको आने में 2-3 दिन लगते हैं. गोना ऑर्डर इट टुडे. So मेरे लिए तो optimum nutrition का protein ही protein है. But just in case somebody wants to work with me, send their protein. Willing to try it out. If I like it, I like it. Sometimes I also drink the basics का marshmallow protein, especially when I feel like having something sweet. This acts like a dessert, so I use this as well. लेकिन पीछे मैंने True Basics का खरीदा था. That one I didn't like. I think the flavor did not work for me. It wasn't the protein. Actually, that protein also made me sick. So yeah, I did not like. 2 scoops of healthy hair collagen. If you are 30 plus, you need this for good skin and good hair. So 2 scoops in. Voila! Gonna add like 1 sip of water. 1 sip. I could I could add coconut water, but I don't wanna. So I've never added coconut water to my smoothie. You guys can see me, right? Right? I think so. Okay. Using my Sujata mixer. This is the best mixer, guys. If you're looking for a juicer mixer, go for Sujata mixer. This is gifted to me and I absolutely love it. Hello. This is lettuce जो कि हम शाम को इस्तेमाल करेंगे. अभी मैं इसको प्लास्टिक से निकालती हूँ. I don't like the plastic bit at all. My smoothie. Hello. शावर मैं ले चुकी हूँ guys. मज़ा आ गया शावर लेके. I have developed a new technique of taking shower, which I am planning to also like run through in my April WhatsApp community challenge. Just in case you don't know, I have a WhatsApp community challenge coming up in April. If you want to do April with me, uske andar every day I give new activity to all the participants. I also do that activity. Every day we talk about how we are feeling when we are doing that activity, what it is adding to our life. And since 3 months I've been trying this particular activity, which I did today after shower. I need to cut my hair very soon क्योंकि मैं अपने बालों से irritate हो चुकी हूँ. So yeah, that activity I did and wow, really eye opener. I was checking my calories. So banana, date and almond milk coffee all together, and then that's like 200 calories. Then my smoothies 285 calories. तो अभी तक मैंने 485 calories intake करी हैं. और 1 hour बैडमिंटन खेलने से 350 से 400 calories burn होती हैं, which is great. Now I am planning to make salad. Technically मैं salad evening में prefer करती हूँ, लेकिन आज मैं opposite कर रही हूँ because it doesn't matter. It's about counting your calories and it's not about what time you are eating what. I love this thing about doing calorie deficit. So I'm gonna make my salad and let me just add कि मैं कितना पनीर डालूंगी अपने salad में. So I'm using GPT here. Gonna make salad. I'm gonna put cucumber, tomato, lettuce, Greek yogurt sauce. I'm gonna put jalapenos. I want to check how much paneer can I put. I will roast it. Last time when I made the salad, I did not do any kind of weighing thing. I can put 100 grams of paneer, which is like 280 calories. Ooh, this is nice. So Fit by Khurana करके creator है. I took this salad recipe from her page. Gonna add her page because मैं बिल्कुल भी pro नहीं हूँ. I'm literally learning as I go and sharing sharing what I'm doing. So consider me like a basic regular your girl next door chick who's trying this thing. And I've improvised her recipe as well. So in her recipe she puts breadcrumbs with the paneer. She coats paneer with breadcrumbs. I'm not doing that. I'm actually going to just take like 100 grams of paneer and then measure it on my weighing scale. I've got, guys, this is all new development. Let me show you. I have kitchen scale. I have kitchen scale. Guys, I have kitchen scale. Never in my life I have had kitchen kitchen scale. Never in my life I have had kitchen scale, guys. This is big. मेरी दीदी आ गया, अपने आप घुस जाएगी मेरी दीदी. I am currently gonna measure my paneer. Wait. First need to okay. This is good. इसमें हमें चाहिए 100 grams of paneer. So maybe this chunk. That's 83. Good morning. 117 grams भी कर सकते हैं. Let's go with this much. So now that I have measured paneer, I know how much paneer I'm adding to my salad. So what I do is मैं तवे पे थोड़ा सा मैं पनीर पे ऑलिव ऑयल लगा देती हूँ. एंड बस फिर उसको मैं तवे पे रख देती हूँ. लाइक ऐसे पतली लेयर ऑफ पनीर काट के. बहुत पतली नहीं, क्योंकि मैंने तवे पे इसको रोस्ट करना है. ऑलिव ऑयल तो 1 चम्मच ऑलिव ऑयल डाल के अब मैं इसके अंदर मैं थोड़ा सा वो भी डाल सकती हूँ, गार्लिक, रोस्टेड गार्लिक ऑलिव ऑयल. लेट्स पुट दैट एज वेल. लाइक जरा सा एकदम टीनू बिट. ऐसे 1 टीस्पून. इसमें मैं छिड़कूंगी नमक एंड थोड़ा सा कश्मीरी पैप्रिका पाउडर. पैप्रिका पाउडर चिपक गया. सो थोड़ा सा और ज़्यादा डल गया. It's okay, no need to panic. अब हम अपने पनीर को ऐसे पूरा अच्छे से ऑयल में लगा लेंगे. मैरिनेट कर रहे हैं बेसिकली हम. ऑलिव ऑयल, मिर्ची, नमक एंड पनीर. गाइस, दिस इज़ द ईजीएस्ट थिंग यू कैन डू एट होम. रेसिपी में ब्रेड क्रम्स यूज़ किए जाते हैं. मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ. दैट्स जस्ट पर्सनल चॉइस. If you want to do it, please do it. Like, not going to make a big difference in calories as far as I'm understanding. Let me wash my hands. Let me show you guys what I'm doing out here. So this is my paneer getting toasted, smelling amazing. कुछ नहीं करूँगी मैं इसको, बस ऐसे ही रहने दूँगी. एकदम मस्त क्रिस्पी रेड ब्राउन बनने दूँगी. एंड मैंने हाई फ्लेम पे रखा है, उसको मैं थोड़ा सा शिफ्ट करके लो फ्लेम कर दूँगी, वरना मेरा पनीर चिपक जाएगा. नाउ आई नीड good salad bowl, cucumber, tomato. अगर मेरे पास घर पे ग्रीन अनियन होते तो मैं वो भी डालती, बट ग्रीन अनियन नहीं है। प्याज काटने का मन मेरा है भी और नहीं भी, देखते हैं। तो फर्स्ट थिंग, कट योर क्यूकम्बर। एक्चुअली क्यूकम्बर मैं एक और भी डाल सकती हूँ, लेट्स सी। चलो एक काट के डाल के देखते हैं। व्हाट आर वी वर्किंग विद? I have to train my didi to make this salad. बस फिर जिंदगी सॉर्टेड है, क्योंकि फिर मुझको ये करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। हाँ, I like to spend time in the kitchen during weekends when I don't have sessions, I don't have a to-do list, and when Ivan is at home, because that gives me incentive to cook something for him, and वो भी kitchen का काम काफ़ी enjoy करता है, which is amazing. But weekdays पे I don't like kitchen work. आज अगर मैं ये वीडियो शूट नहीं कर रही होती तो मैं सैलेड शाम को बनाती या दीदी को ट्रेन करती। दीदी ऐसे 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 इंस्ट्रक्शंस देती दीदी को और बोलती कि बना लो। But wanna spend time with you. Like let's do it together. So we're doing it together. And I think इतना enough होगा मेरे सैलेड के लिए। 1 cucumber, 2 tomatoes, missing some onion. Should I not? Let's flip my paneer. So obviously थोड़ा सा पनीर मेरा चिपक जाता है, बट दैट्स ओके, नो नीड टू पैनिक। आपकी मर्जी है कि आपको ये डालना है कि नहीं डालना है। मैं कभी डालती हूँ, मैं कभी नहीं डालती हूँ। इट रियली डिपेंड्स ऑन अवेलेबिलिटी। कंट्री डिलाइट से मंगाओगे तो घर पर ही आ जाएगा। फिलहाल मैं इसको वॉश कर चुकी हूँ और मैं इसको अपने सैलेड में डाल रही हूँ। सैलेड बिट। पनीर की तबीयत चेक करें। पनीर उल्टा बोला है, उल्टा किया है। मीडियम फ्लेम पे पनीर को टोस्ट मत करना तवे पे गाइस, चिपक जाएगा। हाई फ्लेम पे करना, फिर वो नहीं चिपकेगा। दिस इज द पनीर दैट आई हैव डन। मेरा चिपक गया बिकॉज मैंने मीडियम फ्लेम पे किया। आप मत करना। Now we are making the sauce for the salad. So first thing first, I also add, because I'm a spicy girl, I add some jalapenos to the salad. तो सॉस बनाने से पहले मैं थोड़े से इतू सारे jalapenos 4-5 अपने सैलेड में चॉप करके डाल रही हूँ। थोड़े तो मैं और डाल सकती हूँ, 4-5 ही मैं क्यों डाल रही हूँ। Let's put some more, because why not? सब ठीक रहेगा लाइफ में, थोड़ी मिर्ची डाल देंगे तो। Juicy, juicy, as you can see. Now, time to make the sauce. For sauce, we need ग्रीक योगर्ट। अगर आपको ग्रीक योगर्ट नहीं यूज करनी है, आप नॉर्मल कर्ड भी यूज कर सकते हो। मैं अपनी सैलेड को बहुत अच्छे से हाई प्रोटीन बना रही हूँ, सो मैंने 2 चम्मच ग्रीक योगर्ट लिया है। इसको मैं रख के आती हूँ। इन माई ग्रीक योगर्ट आई विल पुट हॉट एंड स्वीट केचप। यस, वी आर मेकिंग अ सैलेड एंड वी आर यूजिंग 1 spoon, good spoon of hot and sweet ketchup. As you can see, this is going to give you that mayonnaise wala flavor, while your sauce is not even mayonnaise, it's basically hot and sweet. So gonna mix it. Yummy. Now I'm gonna add some Tabasco. This is personal preference. I like it like this. मेरे को मेरी सैलेड जूसी पसंद है, सो अपने स्वाद अनुसार आप डाल लो। सैलेड बोल में पहले तो ये जो मैंने पनीर किया है रोस्ट, इसके पीसेस डालूंगे। So I don't cut like too small pieces. I want to have like good chunk of paneer. थोड़ा सा नीचे कर दूँ, मेरी शक्ल कटेगी, but you guys will be able to see कि मैं कर क्या रही हूँ। Hi, okay, मेरी शक्ल कटेगी, but it's okay. There we go. Some good chunk of paneer. Need to wash hand after every step. My salad bowl, this is how it looks. Now we're gonna add the sauce, the Greek yogurt sauce, which gives it a feel of mayonnaise, but हमारी salad में बिल्कुल भी mayonnaise नहीं है। अभी दिखाती हूँ आप लोगों को मेरी salad की शक्ल। ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे कि किसी रेस्टोरेंट में बनी है। हाँ, कोको के रेस्टोरेंट में बनी है, मेरे रेस्टोरेंट में बनी है। If I ever have a cafe, I will have this salad in my cafe as one of the menu items. Here we go. Now let's use a plate to serve myself. I am gonna eat that entire thingy, this entire bowl. Hopefully, I'm gonna eat that. Hello! Hi guys! It is 2 o'clock. I'm gonna have my salad. It's the time for it's time for wow, मेरी शक्ल ही नहीं दिख रही है आप लोगों को। It's time for lunch guys. So gonna have my salad. This is, wait, let me show you without my shakal. This is how my salad looks. This is my lunch. This is good 300 or 400 calories. Wait, I can actually check that up. Oh, I can have this salad every day. I think if you're trying to watch what you are eating, or like me, trying to lose weight, repeat your meals. कम brain use होता है. You don't have to think every day what to eat. Explore your meals and repeat them. Initially, I used to struggle a lot with repeating my meals. मुझे हर रोज कुछ नया खाने का शौक था. धीरे धीरे I am now rewiring myself to repeat my meals. I don't have to think twice what to eat. 300-400 या maximum 500 कैलोरी की मेरी मील होती है. Say hi to daddy. Daddy. He started responding to his name a little bit at least. Daddy. अभी तो मेरी तरफ ही देख रहा है, कैसे पता चलेगा? Daddy. Ooh. Hi Baba. Daddy. Nice. Guys, I am back, done with my edit. I've edited पूरे हफ्ते का schedule बना के उसकी reels, and I am now going to, I just picked up Ivan, came back home. It's extremely hot. Evo, did you see weather forecast is that it's gonna rain tomorrow?
Yeah, I actually
Can't come like this. Go change and come.
Actually, so on the forecast on our smart board, it was saying 20 rainy days ahead, 22 degrees Celsius.
So it's gonna be a little cold, like a not cold, but
it's 22 degrees.
Little breezy. Okay, come, go change. I'm not vlogging Ivan in his school uniform.
There's been a thunderstorm warning decently.
Yeah, and Friday and we have to go on Friday to the library, but Friday it might rain, like rain. I'm gonna have my coconut water now, जो मैंने आपको सुबह दिखाया था.
We'll go in car.
Yeah, we'll go in car. You wanna have coconut water?
No, I'm having my banana milk.
Oh, are you making your banana milk?
Can you make it?
I can make it. Do you wanna make it with me? What do you wanna do?
You can make it without me.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm drinking my coconut water and then I'm making your banana milk. Is that okay? Cheers, guys. This is the best. Thanda thanda nariyal pani. So far my energy level is really good. Salad was delicious. मेरी जो बची हुई salad थी गलती से दीदी ने निकाल दी. With stale food. Got very upset about it, but can't do much. I had one date just before pickup, so I think that's just कोई calorie change नहीं होगा because मेरी salad थोड़ी कम हो गई. Oh my god, this is so delicious. Oh. Please have coconut water. It's one of the best things you can do to yourself. After this, I'm gonna play some. Are we playing some games today?
Yeah, sure.
Uno No Mercy
Sure.
and Monopoly?
Sure. You're ready to lose?
What do you mean I'm ready to lose? You're gonna lose.
As if.
Let's see. I'm gonna play some games and make Ivan his banana milk. Guys, you guys commented magnet on my last vlog. Thank you for that. I'm gonna show you guys my magnet in my cup, like next video or next to next. I don't want to commit next video. What if I change? Hi! Do you guys want to say hi to my love? Say hi to my love. Hello. I love you.
I love you more, Debs.
Oh no. Ivan and I have this game where every day, Ivan, आपका और मेरा face कितना similar है देखो. Where every day, either of us says I love you more, and जो पहले बोल देता है वो जीत लेता है. तो आज Ivan won I love you. Do you want to wait like 2 minutes?
Sure, why not?
Thank you. तब तक आप गेम निकालो. तब तक आप गेम निकालो. No.
Yes.
Guys, I'm happy to report I have won Monopoly. I'm Monopoly Queen and Ivan is Uno No Mercy King. He won how many? 2, 3 Uno No Mercy. 2. And I won 2 Monopolies out of 3. We have played 6 games. Both of us are on tie when it comes to winning. And I'm having my coffee.
So we have a tiebreaker.
Let's do it. You will shuffle, you will distribute. No, मैंने ये collect किया.
No.
No.
Okay, you do all.
No. I'm not doing
Wait.
all of it. No.
The poll vote all on the video. Let's.
ये वीडियो संडे को जाएगी. Good morning. Hi guys. Yesterday we have to talk. Good morning guys. It is the next day. आज मैं बैडमिंटन खेलने नहीं गई हूँ. Body needed recovery. And कल I kind of stretched it. Technically मुझे कल छुट्टी लेनी चाहिए थी, but it was so much fun. So, but आज this morning I was like, if I don't take a break, it's not good. It's gonna hurt. It was hurting already. My body is so sore. And this week I played with like let me set you guys up in my kitchen. This week I played with my tailbone hurting. Oh, I'm just becoming this person who has workout injuries. Like, can we just appreciate that? I did that. So आज मैं बैडमिंटन खेलने नहीं गई हूँ. मेरे सेशन शाम को है, रात को है. I have my waxing appointment. I have this vlog to edit. I also have to promote my April challenge. Before I get to all of that, yesterday I had two utpam. I think I had like 13 to 1400 calories. I also had one Lind dark chocolate. I'll show you the one that I had because I really love that one. Utpam ki maine footage, like a little clip le li thi. I'll tell you why I didn't vlog yesterday. Give me a second. But I had this Lind dark chocolate. Absolutely love it. फ्रिज में रखती हूँ, काफी गर्मी हो रही है guys. So yesterday यहाँ पे बारिश होने लग गई, हवा चलने लग गई, मेरे सेशन के बीच में लाइट जाने लग गई for so many times. That kind of disrupted my evening for a little bit, and then I got a call. I was on that call for more than an hour or so. I had my dinner while being on call with my friend, and we were speaking after many days. So I did not want to, you know, be like, hey, I have to make a video, so can I talk to you later? I don't want to do that with her. So we were just on call all throughout the evening, and then I just slept. I was too tired. I did a little bit of my me time after putting Ivan to bed. So yeah, good morning. My camera battery is dying for some reason, which is wow. I'm gonna end the vlog here. This is what I eat in a day. Literally, I repeat my meals, or I do something like this. 1300 to 1400 calories. Do make that salad. I'm gonna add the creator from where I got it, and I'm gonna do my day. Join April challenge if you want to get on to my WhatsApp community, because we are going to do April together, and it is so much fun, guys. You don't want to miss out April. I have such amazing things planned. अगर आपने मेरे साथ पहले भी challenge किया हुआ है तो भी join, because there are so many new activities or new ways of doing activities. It's just awesome. Like, you'll have a lot of fun with me in April if you join WhatsApp community of mine. I'm gonna put a link to that. And yeah, please make sure to subscribe, comment, only if you like me, and we don't need you with any kind of criticism or negative comment. I mean, if you want to do that, go do it. Whenever I get time, I'll block ya. But this is just to say that I only want people who genuinely want to subscribe and enjoy my content. I am looking forward to making a very tight community of people. Hopefully the ones who appreciate love and light. I actually, to be honest, I get a lot of people who have started saying things like they enjoy my weekly vlogs, and I am so happy to hear that. So thank you so much. I'm gonna make my coffee. Daddy has come in the kitchen because I've left the door open. Dad, go out. Bye bye. I'm gonna make my coffee, have my banana, and get on to my day, edit this, and I'll see you in my next one. If you have any kind of video suggestion, please put it in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah. Bye.